Welcome back. It's me, Mrs. ENNY-TULLY. I'm ready to show you today how to divide 2- and 3-digit dividends by 2-digit divisors with single-digit quotients and make connections to a written method. Basically, we're going to be dividing 2-digit dividends, the inside number, 2-digit outside number, 1-digit quotient with a remainder as a fraction. Let's begin. Our first problem is 256 divided by 47. 256 is our dividend. It goes inside our division symbol. And 47 is our divisor. It goes outside. We're going to use 47 and see how many times 47 will go into 256. Well, in my head, I need to say that 47 is close to 50. And I'm going to count up by 50s to see how close I can get to 256. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. So 50 times 5 is 250. So I'm going to take 47 and I'm going to multiply it by 5 because it should be pretty close to 250. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 3 is 23. Is 235 pretty close to 256? Yes. So I'm going to do 5 as my quotient, 235. I'm going to subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. I have 21. That becomes my numerator over my divisor of 47. So my answer is 5 and 21 over 47. Now, think to yesterday. How did we check our work? First, we take our divisor, we multiply it times our quotient, and we add our remainder, and that should equal our dividend. So we are going to do 47 times 5, which we already did the math over here, equals 235. And 235 plus our remainder of 21. So if you have to line them up, I get 256. And that should match my dividend, which means that my work checks and my answer is correct. Let's try another problem. We have 236 is my dividend. I divide it by my divisor of 39. All right, so now I need to look at 39. I know that 39 is close to 40, so I'm going to do 40 and try to get close to 236. So I know, and some of you may have a hard time with this, so write 40. So 40 times 1 is 40. 40 times 2 is 80. 40 times 3 is 120. 40 times 4 is 160. 40 times 5 is 200. We're getting closer. And 40 times 6 is 240. Now 39 is a little less than 40. And it looks like 236 is a little less than 40. So it might be times 5 or it might be times 6. So I'm going to do 39 times 5 and see how I do. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. So times 5 is a little low, I think. It appears to be a little low, so I'm going to do 39 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. Ooh, 234 is very close. So we need to subtract 234 from 236. We get a remainder of 2. Oh, well, I forgot. I need to put what I multiplied up here, and what worked was times 6. So I have to put a 6 in my quotient, remainder of 2, which goes as my numerator, and 39 as my denominator. So 236 divided by 39 is 6 and 2 over 39. Now let's check our work. We have to do our quotient times our divisor, 6 times 39, which equaled 234. I have to add 234 plus my remainder of 2. And 234 plus 2 is 236. And that should match my dividend, which it does. So my answer checks, and my answer is correct. I want you to go ahead and set up 369 divided by 46, and then come back, and we'll make sure you put it all in the correct spot. You should have put in 369 inside and 46 outside. Now, we're looking at 46. We need to see how many times 46 goes into 369. Again, 46 is close to 50. So we need to count by 50s and try to get close to 369. So if I count by 5s, I can count by 50s. So I have 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. And all of this I would normally do in my head, and you're welcome to do it in your head as well. But this, I'm just writing it down so you can see my thoughts. So 46 or 50 times, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gets me pretty close. So I'm going to do 46 times 7 and see if times 7 will work. 7 times 6 is 42. 7 times 4 is 28, plus 4 is 32. And we've got 322, which is kind of close to 369. Let's see if it works. 7 times 46 is 322. We subtract, and we get 47. Now I have 47 over 46. Hold up. 47 is greater than 46. What do you think I should do? I cannot leave 47 over 46 here. So what should I do? I need to go back here and make this quotient larger. So you can go ahead and erase if you decided to follow me. I did a little trick there. I'm going to write it again over here so you can see what I'm doing. So now we need to do 46 times 8 because 7 wasn't big enough. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 4 is 36. So we have 368. We have 1 left over out of 46. So our answer is 8 and 1 over 46. Let's multiply and add our remainder to check our work. We have to do quotient times divisor, which equals 368. We add that to our remainder of 1. We get 369. And that should match our dividend, which it does. So we know that our answer is 8 and 1 over 46. I want you to be very careful because this can happen to a lot of students. These fractions are actually equivalent, but you need to have the bigger quotient because you cannot have a number that's bigger as your numerator over a smaller denominator. You cannot have that. So be very careful when you're solving these math problems that you don't follow that direction. I want you to go ahead and solve this problem, 712 divided by 94, by yourself, and then come back and check your work. The answer to this problem is 7 and 54 over 94. Thanks for watching me show you how to divide 2 and 3-digit dividends by 2-digit divisors with single-digit quotients with a remainder as a fraction. Thanks for watching.